What is up, YouTube? Today we will be unboxing my European plate that I purchased for my vehicle. Right before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Now without further ado, let's check it out. So I got this from a custom European shop out here in California. Pretty excited that this thing arrived. I have another one on my vehicle as well, but I've had that one for 2 years, so it's just about time to kind of swap her out there. It's been some time. I will also be dropping the link in the channel as well and give you more details about purchasing this offline. Alright, now let's go out and get this installed on the car. Alright, so here is the older plate that I actually purchased back in 2020. So like I was saying earlier, I've had this for quite some time now, and it's time to replace and put the new one on. There isn't anything wrong with this one. I just wanted to buy something else. So this is on my BMW, and this is a German license plate. So let's get started. So right here we have this, how you can replace it. Once you put this on, you screw those in the back, and this comes with it for free, and you just unpop these. So let's see here. Pretty easy. These parts, they slide in to each side. So this plate as well, grab it from here, I'm gonna pop it out just like that, and you should be able to slide her down there. So here we go. Here is the new plate here. So we're just gonna do this in reverse here. Just gonna slide it here. You have ends right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll hold the plate in place. On the top and the sides. So when you're putting this back on, again, we have both ends right here. We're gonna take that, we're gonna slide this into here, and actually another one came with this new one, but I don't need it right now. I'll just save that for if I need to use this later on down the line. So you want to start with both of these ends first, on right and left. So once you get it in there, you snap it all around. Perfect. And it's all set there. Now you also want to keep in mind, if you have sensors by any chance, you want to make sure that it's lined up properly, because I have 4 sensors on the car. One right there, one on the side there, and one there, and one right there. So I have about 4 sensors in the front. Sometimes you have to adjust it, because this thing will actually start beeping when you're in an open space like this. The front will start beeping, and we're going to double check and test it out to make sure it doesn't beep. Alright guys, so I just want to double check and test this out to make sure my front sensors aren't going off, because as I said earlier, when I first installed the plate, there could be nothing in front of me, and then these sensors would yell at me like a Karen in distress. So let's double check it here. see. So far so good. I'm gonna put this in reverse. Okay, so it doesn't seem to be going off, so that's pretty good. I just didn't think maybe I could have joggled something around and moved it just a little bit. So, like I said, that's it for here, and then look out for the link in the description where I purchased this plate. Alright, thanks guys for watching.